No zoom-ins, please. Okay. Alright. Love. It's not unconditional if you set expectations, and if it feels ecstatic, explain the reparations. We claim that it's genuine in its essence, yet exude a facade when it's in our presence. Evidently, problems are going to arise, but if we instigate them, there should be no surprise. How can we expect to reach perfection if we're acting lustful in every relation? And if we act fake, how can we find truth? If we wrongfully accuse, then we'll never find proof. Why do we bother fighting over nothing? Plus, by forcing an apology, we add on to the bluffing. And within all this drama, we refuse to be alone, distraught in this universe, projecting the unknown. So are we in a state of bliss, or is this an illusion? Must we have a lover to reach a resolution? Seclusion and despair work synonymously. We strive for independence, yet eschew being free. We use our partners to feel complete, yet complain that we're used. We feel defeat. We want it all and feel deprived when we're equal. We need revenge, so the fight becomes a sequel. It has to end with us having more prosperity. We're so damn selfish, it's time to reach some clarity. True love should be effortless, selfless, and fulfilling. Sometimes it can be tough, but it should deepen how we're living.
Yeah!